Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Spline export failed errors. If your project won't export, gets stuck during processing, or keeps showing an error message, don't worry. Yeah, there are a few simple fixes you can try. First, refresh Spline and reopen your project. Temporary browser issues can sometimes interrupt exports, and a quick refresh may solve the problem right away. Next, check your internet connection. Since Spline relies on cloud-based services, a weak or unstable connection can cause export requests to fail before they finish. If the issue continues, try reducing the complexity of your project. I mean, large scenes with lots of objects, textures, or animations can require more resources and may fail during export. You should also review any imported assets. Sometimes corrupted models or unsupported files can prevent a project from exporting successfully. Remove any recently added assets and test again. Next, try opening Spline in another browser. Yeah, browser compatibility issues or outdated versions can occasionally affect export features. Also clear your browser cache and disable extensions temporarily. Ad blockers and privacy tools can sometimes interfere with web applications without making it obvious. If one export format isn't working, try another available format and see if the export completes successfully. And finally, if nothing helps, contact Spline support with details about the error. They can help identify project-specific or account-related issues, and that's basically it. Those are the best ways to fix Spline export failed errors in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.